Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So this video is something really different. I've never done a video like this before, and honestly, it did kind of go, it was like a challenge thing where people were doing recreations of other people's YouTube videos, but I wanted to do sort of the same thing, but with someone who's smaller in the sense of social media, who doesn't have as many followers. It just doesn't have a large following. I wanted to create someone's look like that. And I posted something on Facebook for people to basically send me in the comments a picture of their favorite makeup look that they've done, and I was gonna pick one to recreate it. So this is the artist that I chose, and her name is Pris Gutierrez. She seems to have the same name on Instagram and Facebook. This look really stood out to me out of, a lot of the comments that I got because she incorporated colors with some warm tones in there, and it just really caught my attention. But, this is something that I think I want to do for the rest of the month. So I think every week I'm just going to shine light on a smaller YouTuber or a smaller IGer or Facebooker, whatever the case is, and recreate some of their looks and just kind of like shine light on a smaller artist and, give them a little bit more recognition out there in hopes that you guys are interested in their work and, kind of push those numbers up a little bit. Just, I don't know, I feel like giving back this month. So anyways, we're just gonna jump right into it and get started, guys. All right, so I'm just gonna prep my skin first, and I'm gonna be using the Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. My skin is just really dry. So I do a lot of prepping when I'm doing like a full beat. So I don't really think you need that many sprays, but the limit does not exist when it comes to me. So now I'm gonna prime my face with the FentyBeauty facial or Pro Filt'r primer. Listen, I have a little cough, so if I start coughing in this video a little bit, I'm just gonna apologize right now. My hair is still wet, so don't mind it. I'm just gonna put these under my eyes for now while I work on my eyes. It is the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I have not been getting much sleep this week because my daughter is sick and it's actually pretty bad. So we have not been resting too much, and I feel it and I can see it when I look at my face and when I look at my skin. It's the cute. Oh, this is fancy. She got money. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to start with priming my eyelids, and you guys already know I always do that with concealer. So I'm just using the NARS Macadamia Concealer. So she has blue in her crease, so I'm going to take the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm going to take this aqua color right here, and that's what I'm going to be applying on my crease. Then I'm going to take this navy blue and apply that to the outer corners. Once I'm done applying the navy blue, I'm going to take the black eyeshadow and apply that on like legit the little bit of the outer corner that I can get. Now I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm gonna be using the same concealer that I used to prime, and then I'm gonna do that with a really, really thin, super thin brush. And before I even do the other eye, I'm just gonna finish up this eye because I don't want the concealer to start creasing on me. So I'm just gonna do that and get that out the way. And I'll be using the Kylie Cosmetics, what is this? The Pressed Powder Palette, bronze, oh, the bronze one. Then I'm gonna be taking this bronze color right here, and that's what I'm going to be applying on my lid right over that concealer. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start on my face. Oh, that feels good. For my foundation, I'm gonna go in with the NARS Stromboli Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm gonna take my FentyBeauty sponge. I wet it, so that's why it looks so big. And let me take this side. I haven't really been like doing my forehead lately because of my curly bangs. It hides it anyways. But for the sake of this video and making it a complete tutorial, I went ahead and did it. I'm gonna take this FentyBeauty Dualist concealer. No lie, this is like one of my favorite concealers. So on one side, I think it's so dope, the concept. It's a matte concealer. So it's like a matte stick, and then you close it. And then on the other side, it's more of like an illuminating concealer. So more lightweight, and it's a liquid. So you have like a cream and a liquid together. And I like to mix them. I don't know, I just like the consistency that it gives me mixing the two. So I'm just gonna put a little bit underneath my eye. Well, that's not really a little bit, but in my world, it's a little bit. Then I'm gonna take the other side and put it underneath my eyes. So I'm only gonna do this for my eyes, and that's it. Everywhere else, it's good enough. By the way, this is the light one. So obviously they come in different shades. This one is light. Then I'm gonna take the same sponge and blend that out because we are not about to be dirtying extra sponges. Next, I'm just gonna grab this Aloe Mercier translucent powder, and that's what I'm gonna be applying on my face to bake basically the high points of my face. And now I'm just dusting off whatever like extra powder my face does not need. For my face powder, I'm gonna take the FentyBeauty Tan Powder Foundation. It is a fuller coverage powder, or probably buildable powder. But if you've been following me long enough, then you know that I like my full coverage, so. For contour, I'm gonna take this Anastasia Beverly Hills Saddle Bronzer so I can make my cheeks look a little, you know, look a little skinnier. For my blush, I'm going to take the NARS Wanted to Cheek palette. If I can get it open. And I'm going to take that deeper pink tone right there and apply that to my cheekbones. For my highlight, I'm going to be using the NARS Ibiza highlighter. But before I apply my highlighter, I'm going to be applying this Ciate Dewy Spritz spray. And it just gives you a little bit more of a dewier look. This is very much not like me. I really stick to my mattes, but you know, spring is here, summer's approaching. I just want to look a little bit more hydrated. So I'm just going to apply this on my face first, let it kind of soak in, and then I'm going to apply the highlighter. Moving back onto the eyes, I'm going to be adding the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Electric, and that's what I'm going to be putting in my waterline. Now that the wing liner is done, I'm going to be adding my favorite Lilly lashes, which is the Mykonos style. They're very full lashes, which is why I love them so much. I don't know, it just feels like it completes a look so much in my opinion. Now I'm going to add a softer gold to my inner corner just for a little pop of highlight. So moving on to my lips, I'm going to be going in with the NARS, which one is this? Marnie lip liner. And then with the NARS Sweet Dreams lip gloss. So in the picture, it seems like she has a more glossy neutral color lip. So that's what we're going to be doing here. Next, I'm just gonna spray my face with the Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. After I'm done spraying my face with this, the look is basically all done. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the concept of this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.